Well, we're out at the Wooden Shoe Tulip Festival, and we ran into these wonderful people that have a very unique vegetable to sell. And I'm with Vim. And Vim, we really don't know too much about Belgian Endive, so tell us a little bit about this unique vegetable.
Okay. Well, usually in May, June, we plant little seeds out in the field, and during the summertime they develop a root. And usually in September, October, we dig out the roots, we cut out the leaves. And the roots are going to look like this. We cut off the leaves, leave a little bit like this on top of it. I mean, the growing bud is in here. And what we do is we're going to store these roots in a cold storage at least 2 weeks. And then we're going to replant them again in trays in a dark room. And then they're going to develop a head on top of this root. It's going to look like this.
Nice, yeah.
And it takes about 3 to 4 weeks to develop the head out of this root. And once they have developed their head like this, we snap them off, clean them up a little bit, and they're ready to go.
And ready to eat.
Ready to eat, yeah.
How unusual. You don't hear about those kind of processes. Can't think of any other vegetables to do that. That's very unique.
It is pretty special to grow them twice. Yeah,
Right,
you don't hear
right.
that a lot. That's right.
And so then do you replant this, or you just kind of do something with it and start all over?
We can use the root only once. They produce one head and then it's done.
Oh, wow.
And then the root becomes like animal feed. And we're going to use new roots to plant again.
That is really interesting. So now you got a little bit about how you grow them, and now we're going to talk to Anja about how you eat them. So we really can use it a lot of different ways, the Belgian Endive.
Yes, you can. I like them raw because it keeps all the nutritions the best way. But you can also braise them or grill them or compare them in other salads. I like also that we have the red ones and the white ones because they combine very well. And the red ones, they don't bleach in other, in grills or, yeah.
And I see that you have like a little hors d'oeuvre here. So how is this prepared? It's really easy.
It's super easy. Just take one leaf off the head and it's like an appetizer. So there's an apple. Oh yeah, you can do apple. This one is potato and egg salad on it.
And
yes.
I can even do that, so that's really easy.
Yes, you can. So.
And then you start saying that we can get these anytime in a grocery store. It's not just a seasonal vegetable.
No, it isn't, because we grow them twice, as Wim already said. You first have to grow the roots, and then you take the roots out as many as you need. And we have every week fresh cut endives that way.
And so do you sell locally or to restaurants? Or?
Yeah, we sell to restaurants. Chef loves to play with them, and we sell also to local stores. And at the farmers market, we are there as well. Yeah.
And I understand that kids like them too.
Well,
or your children do at least.
I wouldn't ask him. No, but if my kids really like them when they are in soup with honey or combined with apple and some fruit. It's good in a salad that way. Yeah, that's definitely working.
So your kids like them in soup with honey, but what do they really taste like?
Well, they are slightly bitter, but the red ones are a little sweeter. Yeah, that's what they taste like.
Well, just a unique taste for a unique vegetable.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
Well, if you'd like to learn more about Belgian Endive, please go to gardentime.tv. We'll tell you about how you can get in contact about this unique vegetable. Thanks so much.
Thank you.